Top news overnight as we kind of get you ready to go with it. Futures are pointing a little bit higher this morning. Of course, we're rebounding off this recent test of support at the 200-day moving average, trying to rally back up into this resistance level that we've talked about here recently, right at 2,800. So, it's 2,800. It's just been this kind of sideways consolidation that's been occurring over the course of the last couple of weeks. That's giving markets a little bit of breathing room here. So if we are going to get a further advance, and we are in the seasonally strong period of the year, so not surprisingly, we might get a little bit of advance for another couple of months. It's important to remember, though, that the markets have literally gone nowhere now for 15 months. So while we've had a lot of volatility, we've had lots of up and downs, been some exciting roller coaster, the markets have really made absolutely no progress in the last 15 months. And it's very likely that this summer or later on this year, we're going to have another pullback. There's yesterday, Jeff Gundlach, who is the CEO of DoubleLine, gave one of his quarterly famous live talks yesterday. And of course, by the way, speaking of Jeff Gundlach, if you go by our website, realinvestmentadvice.com, click on the YouTube tab. We released yesterday our interview with DoubleLine's investment officer, Jeffrey Sherman, talking about the economy, the markets, and what's going on. Great interview with him. We spent about 30 minutes with Jeff, and it's a really good interview. It's on our website. Simply click our YouTube tab at realinvestmentadvice.com. You get all of our videos, and we've got lots of stuff on there for you for some really great thinkers about markets and money. That's on our website. But Jeff Gundlach yesterday came out. Yesterday says, no, we're still in a bear market. This rally that we've had is a rally within a bear market, and we are very likely to not only retest the lows from last December, it's very possible that this year, in 2019, that we will take out those lows potentially during the next downturn. Now, that's Jeffrey Gundlach from DoubleLine. And, of course, he runs like $50 billion, so he's not completely out of the loop here on how investing works. But he's watching credit markets. He's watching the things that actually drive the markets, economic data, et cetera. So it's worth paying attention to. And if you haven't looked at listened to his latest video cast, it's actually quite well done. But like I said, futures are pointing a little bit higher this morning. We're going to try to get back up to this level around 2,800. We'll see if that happens. And more importantly, will it hold? If we can make a move higher here, there's the potential that we could retest the highs from last year. That's a very real possibility. But again, most likely, we've seen the majority of the advance for this year already built into the first 2 months of this year. So again, expect that by the end of this year, by the time we get to the end of 2019, it's very possible that we will likely be at this level or maybe even slightly lower. It's a very high possibility in the markets right now because we haven't fixed a lot of the underlying issues. We're going to see economic data continue to slow. It's going to bounce around. Today, industrial production in Europe picked up a little bit, which is a good sign. It's been just a pure direct plunge every month for the last couple of months. So whenever you have that, you're going to get a bounce. We are seeing a little bit of bounce in that data.
Get daily investment news you can use, delivered at the speed of the internet. Sign up for Lance's newsletter now at lancerobertshow.com.